Hey guys, this is Roshan from Techising, and today we have something cute and interesting to unbox. Today we finally managed to get the Mi Compact. So is this worth the 800 rupees? Let's find out in this video. Let's do an unboxing and see how it works. So let's unbox it. Here is the Mi Compact, and along with it we also have a wristband included in the box and a user manual. So let's just unbox that. Take it out like this. Wait a second. So here's the user manual. As the name suggests, the design is pretty well with a parametric mesh, and it's pretty compact with Bluetooth 4.0 enabled. It has an integrated mic for phone calls and a micro USB. Mi claims that it has 6 hours of playback time and a working distance of 10 meters. Let's move in deep. The Mi Compact Bluetooth Speaker 2. Let's just call it the Mi Compact for the rest of this video. Let's see how it pairs up. Let's press the power button.
Power on. Pairing.
The Mi Compact is powered on and is ready to be paired. Unlike the Air Dots, it's way faster to pair up with your device. It just requires a tap. Just a tap away to get it paired.
Connected.
So let's see the quality of sound coming from this small cute device.
No, there ain't no stopping us. Fly without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I'll be moving fast. Call me a shooting star. Let 'em know who you are. Flying up in a...
Sounds good, right? The sound quality coming for just about 800 bucks is way high. When we were reviewing it, it lasted for about 6 odd hours. Well done, Xiaomi. As always, bringing the best quality products for a low budget price. That's all for this video. For more tech videos, subscribe to Techising if you haven't yet, and hit the bell icon. If you want to say anything, mention it down in the comment section below. This is Roshan signing off, and meet you guys in the next one.